Kלים Perek Yud Aleph Mishnah Test, the last Mishnah of the Perek. And we're carrying on with our jewelry. This is a simple, easy Mishnah. An earring, which is made up of two bits. Nezem shu osui ki kdeiro milematon l'chadasha milmalon. It's a little earring, a little pendant from the ear, a little thing hanging down, and it's made up of two bits. There's a bottom bit which is a cup-shaped, little saucer, cup-shaped little bowl. On top of that sits a ball, a round little sort of ball-shaped. It's a sphere that sits on top of the cup. V'nifrak, and they come apart. And I've got two parts. I've got the cup and I've got the ball. Says the Mishnah, Ki Kedera, the bottom part, the cup part, is Tomei. Mishum Kli Beis Kibble. Under the normal rule, that's a matris, is a Kli. Now, this expression, Kli Beis Kibble, is not really a term we find with matris, because matris haven't got this rule. Even a pshutikli matris is a makabel tuma. What the Mishnah means here, that this separate cup-shaped object, because it's still got a use, it's still got a function, because it has got a base kibble, is therefore makabel tuma, not because it is now a piece of jewelry, because now it is a little cup. There's a Chazon Ish about this, who actually discusses the fact that you haven't been miyachid it. If you have a kli matris, which is made for function A, and then it breaks, and you don't specifically assign it for function B, then the rules are quite complicated, but under the general rule, it's not makabel tum unless you are miyachid it. So he says we're talking about a case where we've actually been miyachid this cup as to be used as a little cup. Ucha adasha, but the remaining ball, because that was the main part, maybe it's even the bigger part of the piece of jewelry, Tomei b'fnei atzmo, because that is still called a piece of jewelry and can be used by itself. Maybe stick it on, just have it hanging without the cup underneath it. Tzinoira tahira, talking about earrings. Tzinoira is what's called the post of the earring, the thin bit, the sharp thin bit which actually pokes through the whole of the ear. By itself is tahor. That is called a shever kli. He'osuk min eshgoil, if the earring is made up of lots of little balls, like a cluster of grapes. V'nifrak, and these fall apart. Now we have each ball is now separate. Tahor. Each ball by itself is not considered to be a kli b'fnei atzmai. They cannot be used by themselves. Nobody would stick them back on, onto make a piece of jewelry out of that one ball, and therefore this is called a classic case of a shever kli, and the balls are actually tahor. And that's the end of Perek Yud Aleph, Baruch Hashem.